Hey, what's up, y'all? Blue Badge Crypto here. Got another update on MetaHero. If you're not on the Twitter, go ahead and open your phone, unlock it, hit the Twitter app, and go follow Blue Badge Crypto. It's where you're gonna get the most up-to-date trades, analysis, and trends in the market. Go ahead and go give a follow to the page. Let's dive into MetaHero here. We have a one-day chart here. You can see we are currently in our A, B, and C wave correction. If we didn't have this amazing higher time frame trend line right here, we'd be looking for an entry up here. But we do have this trend line that's garnished respect from a lot of this price action. So let's get in a little bit closer and see what we're working with here. Let's go into the 4-hour chart. So we've been trying to get a setup above this trend line. And what we're looking for is price action to come up here, give us a back test along this trend line to confirm it as support, and then we're good for a takeoff from there. And we almost had our entry here, and if you watch my previous MetaHero update, you'll know that I was looking for this setup right here with this trend line, and it broke down, back tested it as support. So we had a support, broke through. We got our entry that we wanted. It came up, tried to break the trend line as resistance. Y'all see that right here? Okay. And then it was denied, came back, tested the line as support again, didn't quite get there, went up again. And then this is when Bitcoin started falling yesterday. And then it fell back above, or sorry, below our higher time frame trend line, right? So now we're looking for another entry point. Anything down here below the line is not a good entry. Why, you ask? Because all this means is that our C wave could not be completed, right? So this could be the bottom of our C wave right here. I'm expecting it to be, but until we get above this trend line, reclaim it as support, like up here, then the option of the C wave being something down here is still in play. So what we're looking for is price action to come up again like this. We're not entering here. We're not entering up here. We're definitely not entering way up here. We're going to wait till we get a back test as support. Okay, this is where we enter. So we're going to enter here, and we're looking for something like this, right? Where we get our long entry. Let's break it out a little bit. And we're looking at resistance levels, right? So optimally, we would come up, and this could be our first target right here. So a first target could be approximately 0.135. So go ahead, throw that level on your charts, 0.135. And you say, why is that a point? Because this is a point of support and resistance right here. Okay. So you can see price action, boom, fell through the floor. Use this level as support. Oh, we're going to fall. Nope, still supported. And then boom, it fell through the floor. Back tested at resistance, back tested resistance, back tested resistance, and now it fell. So what we could expect here is that when price action gets above this line, okay, confirms it as support, this is a good first target to take some profits at, because you know that this line is going to act as resistance, right? So something you may see is like this over here, where you just get a wick up here, price action tries to break it, and then comes back down, right? So this is going to be a good area to take your first profit. And you may say, well, where should I put a stop loss? A good stop loss here is going to be these wick lows, okay? I typically don't like to get too much past a 5% stop loss. So just barely lower than these wick lows. And you say, well, why is that a good area? Because this would mean that whatever uptrend we're trying to break into here, okay, like this, would be out of play. So if we come down and we start making a lower lows, right? So a price action, we could expect it to do something like this. We would obviously want to get our back test, and then we're gone. Okay. But let's say it doesn't do that, and maybe price action does something like this, where it goes, it breaks up, and then it breaks down. It would try to use this as support one more time, denied again, and then price action comes down. And if we make a lower low in price than these lows, this uptrend is now no longer an uptrend. We're now in a downtrend again, right? Because price action has now made a lower low, and now we're downtrending. Okay, so I hope that makes sense for y'all. Hope we can see our entry here, maybe in the next couple of days or so. So get your alerts set right here for when price action is going to cross these lines. Get some alerts set up here. We're looking for an entry off the line. I showed you the stop loss. I showed you a first point of resistance where it would be good to take some profit. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments. And like I said, like the video, go get over to Twitter, get in the page, get in on the good vibes, get in on the trade setups. Hope you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.